Get connected with ideal waterproof and underground wire connectors. Tough connectors for rough environments. Ideal introduces the next generation of pre-filled twist-on wire connectors for damp, wet, or direct burial electrical connections. Both the weatherproof line and the underground line were specifically designed to meet the rigorous requirements of UL 486D for use in wet locations or direct burial applications. These easy-to-apply twist-on wire connectors contain a silicone-based sealant which guards against moisture and corrosion, providing protection from the elements. The complete line handles wire sizes from 22 to 6 gauge copper conductors. Ideal's underground line was specifically designed for use in a wide variety of underground and direct burial applications. These connectors can be used without a junction box and in many cases eliminate the need for heat shrink, resin pack, or multi-piece corrosion kits. These underground connectors are excellent for low voltage applications as well as circuits up to 600 volts per UL listing 486D. When your electrical terminations involve wet locations, direct burial applications, or protecting conductors from damaging corrosion, moisture, or fungus, look to Ideal's weatherproof and underground twist connectors. They're as versatile as they are tough, providing the perfect wiring solution for rough environments.